Salam fam, this is Unity and I'm here to show you these were some earrings that I'm repairing. A customer bought these. I don't know how long ago she bought these, but she always purchased from me. And she recently sent these for repair. I do have a link for repair, like if you want me to just refurbish your hand painted earrings. They're hand painted so they can be refurbished. So this is the beginning. With this one, I'm gonna put new hooks, I'm gonna rebead it, new wire, new paint on certain parts, new gloss, and all that. So I'm showing y'all this now, and then when I come back, I'll show y'all what I did to refurbish these. Okay, I'll be back in a few. All right, fam, I'm finished with refurbishing the earrings. This is the back, and I put new beading and did a little touch up on the paint and gave it a new gloss. This is the other, and this is the back. Also on this one, I sometime on this design I put glitter around her, and sometime I don't. So I decided to go on and just put glitter around. If y'all can remember, this wasn't bright anymore. I don't know if I used a different gloss on the when she got it the first time, but I think this will last for a while. And yeah, I put new beading, took those old beads off, put new hooks and ear backs, hooks and ear backs, and then I just put a little glitter on the back because if you look, remember, I don't know if I showed y'all the back of the original one, it was just red. So I just jazzed them up a little bit for her. And to get your hand painted earrings refurbished is only $5 a pair. Instead of, because you know sometimes people be like, they'll want to buy a whole new set, and if you got, because some people like certain pairs of earrings, and I done had customers buy the same earring twice or more, so you can always send those in and get them refurbished. I will put the link down in the description box for a for the repairs, but it's only $5 a pair. Now I do not replace, if you lose one, I do not replace it, because sometimes I might use a different red, I might use a different, you know, I might use different paint, and then if I try to redo it, I mean, I'm gonna end up having to do the other whole earring because those colors, the paint's probably changed, and then it's like I have more work to do. So if you lose one of the pair, it's best to just order a new set. But if you just need a whole new refurbishing thing, I can do that for just $5 a pair. All right, y'all, so let me get back to work, and thank you all for your support over the years. I really appreciate y'all. I really appreciate my new subscribers. All right, peace and salam.